Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Most common cause of hirsutism is polycystic ovarian disease is the most common cause of hirsutism. Most common cause of hirsutism in a teenage girl is ovarian disease, that is polycystic ovarian disease. 16-year-old girl presents with rapid onset of hirsutism and amenorrhea. The best investigation is 16-year-old girl with rapid onset of hirsutism and amenorrhea. The best investigation is testosterone estimation is the best investigation. Then
Androgens estimation in the testosterone is better.
Kali Rani, 20-year-old girl presents with history of rapidly developing hirsutism and amenorrhea. To establish the diagnosis, you would like to proceed with which of the following tests in the blood. So there is rapidly developing hirsutism and amenorrhea.
thank you and thank you for watching.